Hey, what's up everyone? This is Almosthalo here on YouTube. So today what we're going to be doing is I wanted to get a overlay package, and so I could set it up on my Twitch stream. And so I decided to go here, nerderdie.com, and I saw this one right here, the reloaded stream package for it's usually 20 bucks, but it's on sale for $5, so I bought it. So plus I applied this coupon right here, this code summer25, and it came out to like, I think like $3.75. I was like, fuck yeah. So I purchased it and all that stuff, and I actually created an account, like I think like a couple of minutes before I purchased it, so it could be saved into my my account here. If you don't want to register, you know, so you can have an account, I think they email it to you. So I purchased it using my PayPal account, and so let's see, I ended up getting, where is it at? This right here, this zip file, reloaded full pack zip, and I of course downloaded it right here into this my Twitch folder. So I did that, and so I was like, all right, so now what? Like, what do I do now? Like, how do I put this into here? By the way, so you guys could check it out, this is what it is. Let's see, right here. So for $3.75, I think that's just, I thought it was a fucking great deal. So I was like, fuck yeah, dude. Look at that. I had tried to design one myself, but I was like, oh, this is gonna take more time. So, and for being my first time, yeah, definitely wasn't gonna be like, take a long ass time. So I was like, you know what, let me Google some Twitch stream overlays. Nerded Eye came out, checked it out, boom. I was like, for $5, dude, that's a great deal. So got it, got the coupon code, $3.75, boom. Look at all the stuff you get, dude, that's awesome. So from $20 to $3.75, great deal. Boom. All right, so let's see. So first of all, let's select the platform, which would be, nope, Twitch. Alright, yes, import from OBS. I want my settings actually. Alright, start. I'll mess with this later. Alright, let's skip this. Alright, here we go. Okay, when I was looking at, because I was trying to check out my settings and all that, I saw, where was it at? This one? No, scene collections? Oh, right here. Import overlay file. This feature is intended for overlay designers to export their work for our theme store. Not all sources will be exported. Use at your own risk. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Let me just try it. Twitch. This one. Okay, hold on. Streamlabs OBS right here. And double click it. Let's see. Yes, I want perfect settings. There you go. We got it. All right, let's pull this up. Yes. All right, wow, that was awesome. Just it was a seriously just import import your overlay from Streamlabs, and just double click on that on the little fucking icon, and boom. Wow, that's awesome. I saw some other video where you have to like drag and drop everything. I was like, oh dude, I'm not gonna be able to like know where shit goes. All right, so let's see. Let's start with this. Let's see. Oh, change my name. Almosthalo. Fuck yeah, dude. See? Let's see, Twitter black. My Twitter, but it would be, of course, what? Almosthalo. Okay, so we got that. Twitter icon. I wonder if you could add other icons as well. Alright, starting background. That looks awesome. I'm loving it. Let's see. This is where your scene collections live. Clicking the title will drop down a menu where you can view and manage. Awesome. Let me see live. Oh, that is awesome, dude. Whoop. Back up, dude. Calm down, bitch. Hells yeah. Okay, so I got that. Here's follower. Okay. Intermission. My name. Wow, this is awesome, dude. This is just so. Yeah, I saw some other video, like I said, and it was having to like drag and drop all this stuff. I'm like, yeah, that's hella easy, especially I'm sure compared to back, way back then. But I was like, fuck, it's gonna suck. How funny these two are wrong. Alright, let's see what else. Be right back. Oh, I'm loving this, dude. Fuck yes. Thank you, nerderdie.com. This is awesome. I'll mess with this later. My ending. Thank you, stream ending. Cool. What's this? Alright, for my webcam right there. Alright, cool. What else? Oh, this is awesome. I fucking love it. Cool. So hopefully you guys see that. Yes, nerderdie.com. Check out all their overlays. I mean, if it's seriously like this, where you just you download the file onto your desktop and go to right here. Go to your Streamlabs settings. Go to scene collections. Import overlay file. Let the file pop up. Click on that. Whoop, hold on. Click on, see they even have the folder for it, Streamlabs OBS. Click on that, boom, double click, reload it overlay or whatever file you get, you know what I mean? And it just all gets imported. That is fucking awesome. I fucking love that. So I really recommend you guys check that out. See if that's something you guys are interested in. Definitely recommend it. Alright, you guys will hopefully this helped you guys out. Don't forget I'm on all social media. Almosthalo. Oh my god. Also, what else? Let's see. Keep safe out there. Wear a mask. Stay at home as much as you can. I mean, I definitely do. I'm always online, so I'm either working from home or playing and stuff. So yes. All right. Well, take care, you guys. Love you guys, and mwah. All right.